it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making my famous pasta bake. Guys, this is the best pasta ever. Once you try this, you will never go back to your regular pasta. So here are my ingredients. As you can see, I've got some chili pepper, I've got aromat, I've got onion, garlic, minced beef, white pepper, but you can use black pepper. I've got cheddar cheese, it's mild cheddar, grated already. And here I've got my pasta. Guys, I've got all different kinds of shapes and sizes. This is what makes it so delicious. Mix and match. You don't have to use the same thing. I'm even going to use spaghetti. So first thing is first, you boil your water, put a bit of oil and a bit of salt, and then you put your pasta in there. And then we're going to put a bit of oil in our pan, and we're going to start frying our minced beef. In there, I'm going to season it with some aromat, white pepper, a bit of salt, not too much salt. I'm also going to use my chili flakes. It's literally chili with garlic and a bit of salt in there. So I'm going to put a bit of that in there as well. And then I'm going to give it a quick stir and allow it to cook for a bit. So I think I cook it for about 10 minutes, I believe, because you don't want it to be overcooked. If not, the minced beef will be very chewy. So now I'm putting in my garlic and also my onions, and then yeah, I'm just gonna give it a quick stir and just leave it to cook for a further 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you guys can see that my minced beef is cooked and ready. So before I put the cream, I'm going to check if my pasta is nearly done. So as you can see, my pasta is nearly ready. So now I'm going to put my cream in the minced beef. Oh gosh, guys, I could even eat this on its own. It looks delicious. So yeah, let's get back. So now after putting the cream, I'm going to mix it all in. And then just leave it on for like 1 minute, no more than that, just 1 minute. And then I'm going to transfer my pasta into my minced beef sauce. And then I'm going to give that a quick stir. Make sure that all the sauce has covered the pasta. Some of it has gone inside it and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to sprinkle a bit of our cheese in there just so that it's more juicy and flavoursome. Guys, put it in the comment what this thing is called, because my brain is frozen. What is it? It's not baking tray, it's a glass tray. Oh, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so after I put my pasta in there, I'm gonna put the cheese on top. Just put as much cheese as you need, because it's supposed to be nice and cheesy and, you know, yummy. And then I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. Don't put it in any longer than that, because you don't want it to dry out and the cheese to burn. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it in for about 20 minutes, and this is how it should look when it comes out of the oven. As you can see, it's golden brown, it's crispy at the top, and it's moist in the middle. Guys, trust me, you guys need to give this a try. It's so easy to make. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it tastes amazing. This is literally my go-to food when I don't know what to cook, and the kids absolutely love it. So yeah, it's a win-win for me. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share this video with all your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.